What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we are talking today about guaranteed earnings for Uber and for Lyft. So if you are a Uber driver or a Lyft driver, you can get guaranteed pay, and we're gonna discuss it. But before we jump in, wanted to thank our video sponsor, CarProductsUSA.com. CarProductsUSA.com is a website where you as a driver can get the products that you might need for your car. Phone mounts, dash cams, car vacuums, cleaning products, and a whole lot more. So you can use code RIDESHAREHUB for a discount. A lot of these products are a lot cheaper than what you might find on Amazon or Walmart. So go check out CarProductsUSA.com to get the best products for your car. So Uber and Lyft, they love to kind of flaunt that they provide guaranteed pay for drivers. You know, when you go out and drive, you're gonna make a set amount, right? I'm just here on the Lyft website right now. Make $2,600 guaranteed in Orange County. When you give 200 rides in your first 30 days, you'll make $2,600. So they're basically guaranteeing that you're making, what, 12 bucks, 13 bucks a ride? Is that sound about right? $13 per ride in 30 days. I think my average was around like 10 or 11 bucks. So it's like not really that good. But they also have this other guaranteed pay amount where when you go out and drive, they're saying that you will make 30 cents per mile for vehicle expenses for all time and distance whenever you're booked with a passenger. So you're basically getting paid these guaranteed earnings amount. But the thing is, what they don't guarantee you is that you will get a certain amount of rides while you drive. I've had plenty of times driving Lyft where I've waited 20, 30, sometimes even 40 minutes for one ride, and that ride might only be a $7 ride. So that in that whole hour I only made $7. Now, this is where an app called Solo comes in handy, and I'm gonna have a link below to Solo sign up for. It'll be you get $10 when you do sign up with our link, and you gotta sign up and link your gig account, then they send you $10. But they have a guaranteed paid feature where regardless of how many rides you do, as long as you are online during that hour, they're going to guarantee that you make that dollar amount based off of driver data in that area. So let's say you're driving in, I don't know, they're not in Los Angeles, but let's just say well, let's pull up an area that they are in. Work Solo, for the guarantee pay. You will get $10 anywhere in the country that you sign up for their free version, but for the guarantee pay feature, it is only available in certain areas. Okay, they're available in Houston. Let's say you're driving in Houston. So you're driving in Houston. Well, they're actually in a lot more areas now. You guys should go sign up for Solo. They're expanding. They're pretty much almost nationwide now. I mean, this is like for their guarantee pay functions. So I don't know if you guys have downloaded Solo yet, but you do get $10 when you sign up. So the way it works is you sign up and you do, you go online for Lyft, let's say, and it's the guarantee pay is $33 in that hour. So if you only make $8, they're gonna pay you 25 bucks extra additional in order to meet that guaranteed pay amount. So a lot of drivers now are taking advantage of this, and yeah, this is moving almost nationwide pretty soon. So Solo is like changing the game. Wow, I did not realize how many new states they're in. That's crazy. Yeah, Solo is like really expanding rapidly. I have not even checked their website in like a month or two. So I wouldn't be surprised if almost every single Uber and Lyft driver sign up for Solo, because it's like they track your miles. They handle all the business aspects of you as a small business owner, basically. But their guaranteed pay feature is really popular and it's really expanding fast. So you could potentially be going out and driving for Uber and Lyft, have all your mileage tracking properly, not using Uber and Lyft's mileage tracking. And then also getting guaranteed earnings when you go out and drive. So this is really cool. Anyways, I'm going to end the video there, but go check out Solo. Link below, get your $10 for signing up for free anywhere nationwide. And go check out carproductsusa.com, our video sponsor. Carproductsusa.com has premium quality items and their products shipped fast. So car cleaning products, tire cleaning products, car cleaning sprays, sponges, phone mounts, phone chargers, car vacuums, dash cams, air fresheners for your car, organizing products, Bluetooth, jump starting kits, floor mats, seat protectors, car refrigerators, steering wheel covers, windshield covers for when it's hot out and for the summer, keychains, first aid for cars. They even have like key trackers, which are cool, so you don't lose your keys, pepper spray, keychain, so you know, for protection and stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you sign up for Solo or if you do use it for their guaranteed pay, and we'll talk soon.